Today I'm going to show you how to attach a document to your calendar and share it with others. So when your Google account right here, you will go to apps and then go to calendar. So in order to attach a document, you first have to have an event to attach it to. So I'm going to create an event. So this is my event right here. So what I would do is press more options. So in order to attach the attachment, you would press this paperclip right here, and you can upload whatever you need, the document. You can select it from your recent files. So I will select one from my recent files. Alrighty, so now to share with others, you will have to add the guests. And all you would do is just type in their name. And yeah, so press save. Then, so right here is my tailgate list, the event that I made. It shows the people that I invited and shared it with, and it also shows the document that I added. So that's how you add a document to your calendar, events, and you share with others. Thank you.